Thank goodness the light has not yet left this shard completely. Arya carefully took the crystal shard. Come, we must take this shard to the cavern north of here. This door is sealed to prevent the outsiders from entering the inner sanctum. It can only be opened by a priestess of the water temple. Arya kneels and murmurs a prayer. The seal on the door is dissipated. Shall we proceed? Okay. Okay, this is the scene. Crystal of water, may you regain your light. Arya returns the faintly gleaming shard to the crystal. Watch out! Arya! Marcus! Arya, no! You do not lack for luck. It seems that cursed arrow was meant for you. I am the Kraken tossed by Master Sun himself to ensure that this crystal never regain its former light. You will not live here alive. The monster. Nice. Okay, killed. Nice. Level up again. Nice one. Arya. Light has returned to the crystal. My purpose is fulfilled. Thank you for everything. Arya, stay with us. This title is yours. It is imbued with the power of water.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.